All right, so we're going to do 2 more examples and then we'll be done. So I want you to look at example 7. So example 7 is, they want you to simplify 0.03 squared. So when they ask for squared, that means we're going to take this number times itself just twice, okay? So we're going to have 0.03 times 0.03, okay? So what I'll have to do is, what's 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, so that's all we're going to do there. But if we are going to move our decimal point, 0.3 has 2 decimal places. 0.3 also has 2 decimal places. So if we add those 2 together, we're going to have to move it over 4 times. So we start our decimal place behind the 9, move it once, twice, 3, and 4. So our decimal place is going to go here. So for each place that you move and there's not a number, you need to put in a 0. So it's going to be 0, 0, 0. So your final answer is going to be 0.00009. Okay, so make sure that you're putting those zeros in, because if you don't, it is wrong, because all it's going to look like is 0.9 when it is actually 0.00009. Okay, so make sure you're moving those decimal places over the right amount. However many you have put together is however many you move them over. Now, we're going to look at, let's do example 9. So in example 9, it says divide 0.0144 divided by 8. Okay, so when you are dividing decimals, again, you don't have to line them up or anything. All you need to do, the first thing you need to do when you divide is just move your decimal point up. So I'm going to take my decimal point and put it right up here so I don't forget about it. Okay, now there are so many zeros that we're going to have to start all the way over at 14. So we're going to have to say, how many times does 8 go into 14? Well, we know it is 1 time, and we're going to fill the space with zeros. So 1 times 8 is 8. 14 minus 8 is 6. Bring down my 4. 8 goes into 64 8 times. We know that's 64 and 0. Okay, so our final answer is going to be 0.0018. Okay, so remember, when you're dividing decimals, move your decimal point up the first thing so you do not forget about it. Okay, just move it up. All right, now I think that should cover you guys. If you have any questions about that, you're welcome to look back at the examples. You can send me an email and we can talk about it more. But make sure you're trying all of them. And if you have questions, shoot me an email and I will try and figure it out with you. Okay? Still be good for the sub. Hopefully I will see you guys soon. Have an awesome day.